Now we will start the 21 secrets to successful selling in less than 2 minutes each. Number 1 on our list is goal setting. It is number 1 for a reason. Let me tell you how I got introduced to goal setting as a young man. I bought an entire course on self-improvement from an outfit called the Success Motivation Institute. It had recordings, books, and a complete system for goal setting in a decorative 3-ring binder. I started to play with it. The first thing they asked me to do was to create a list of everything I could think of that I wanted. I did this. They suggested I add pictures to help me visualize. I did that also. Then I got busy with other things and never got around to listing any roadblocks or obstacles, much less ways to overcome them, or for that matter, put in any timelines. I put the binder up on a shelf and it stayed there for 10 years. When I opened it, I was amazed. Everything I wanted had come true. Hence, my suggestion is that if you have the time, great, do all that stuff they ask for. If not, at least create a list and add some pictures. By the way, we have a weekly web-based workshop as part of our program. This is one of those things we help people with, and we look forward to working with you.